Hello, so today I'm gonna explain you how to conjugate regular verbs or how to use regular verbs in Spanish. So, in general, the basic form of a verb in English is when you have these two before, like to eat, to run, to walk, all of that. It's just the general action, it's not conjugated with anyone. Comer, it's the form in Spanish. As you can see, it's only one word. And in general, in Spanish, all the verbs that are in this basic form will end either with AR, ER, or IR. So now let's see how to conjugate these verbs. So let's take to talk, hablar. So we can split that verb in the ending AR, and this part it's the stem, the root. So what we do with regular verbs, we will replace this ending in order to use it with pronouns. So well, in this table you can see if the verb ends with ar, I'm gonna replace that ar for an o, and now it means I speak. Yo hablo. And actually, for in present simple, for these three group of verbs, we replace the ending for an o, and that's how we use it with I. Then if I want to say you talk, I'm gonna replace that ending AR and I'm gonna add AS. Hablas. Tú hablas. For this group ER, we will need to replace the ER for ES. Comes. And finally, with this last group, we also replace it for ES. This table is very useful because you can see all the forms and how do we need to replace the ending. And in general, with regular verbs, we will replace with a specific ending, depending on, for example, this is present simple, but there are endings for past tense, future, and that. So since there is regular verbs, that means that we have some irregular verbs. Irregular verbs they change the ending, but it also change the stem. So, but we will see that. And finally, let's see another example. So with past tense, we will replace that ending AR for an E, trabajé, and now it means I worked. So I'll share with you these tables with the different tenses, but in short is present, past, another past tense, and pretty much.